Hey guys, Defective Detective here. Welcome back to another video of how to make a Discord bot using discord.js tutorial series. So the last time we left off, we had made some simple commands which were like hello, hey there and stuff. Now we are gonna get into some better stuff because like our bot only replies to messages and we are really bored. If like they could only chat like that, or like if there were only commands like this won't be fun. So we need some fun commands. So today we are gonna make some fun commands. So let's jump right into it. But before we start, I would like to set up a linter, and this is this video is all about setting up a linter. All right. Sorry, in the last video I had promised that in this video we were gonna make some fun commands, but I thought why not just make the linter before, cause then it is better actually, right? So like firstly, you need to uh, get the extension which is known as like ESLint, and I do not know for every single text editor you need to look for it. Uh, for example, for VS Code, it is ESLint, so you can search in the VS Code marketplace for it. So V oops ESLint, so ESLint. So I've already had it installed. So this is your first step. So please like find out what is the ESLint extension for your you know um, IDE. All right. And secondly, we are gonna install ESLint into our project. So let's pull up our terminal. Okay, let's wait a bit. Yeah. PC lagging, I guess. In the meanwhile, we can create a file which will be named as .eslint.rc.json. Alright. Now we are gonna install ESLint. So what we are gonna do is npm install ESLint. Now let me just explain what on earth is a linter. So linter is basically a set of governing rules for your code which you can set for yourself to make your code uniform. So what I mean is, for example, let's just say like it will help you in coding actually, because sometimes you miss out like your your IDE might miss out on undefined variables, or like sometimes you do make typing mistakes, I guess. So useless variables and stuff which just clog up your code. Also sometimes like you are using double quotes, sometimes you are using single quotes, sometimes it is pretty annoying, right? Sometimes you are using template rules but there are no stuff inside the curly braces. So we want some uniformity so that other people reading your code and even you yourself can understand your code perfectly. Alright, so we are gonna install ESLint, which enables us to do right that, like exactly that, I mean. Yeah, so after installing it, like it takes some time. You want to basically copy and paste whatever there is. Now I know I might have said do not copy paste code, but this is just a set of rules governing your code and it is gonna be pretty useful. And if you are already seeing this, that I have 5 tabs open, so it is basically 5 like the 5 bins which I have basically, so like which I know of, and I have pasted them there. I'll be providing the links of these bins in the description down below. Okay, so you can check that out and copy this. So what we are gonna do is like I like hate bin and haste bin these more, So let me just oh, it is already selected. Let's copy it and let's just paste it here. Yeah, we're done. Now if we like, probably you might be seeing this ESLint list, so you can do allow everywhere or allow. So sometimes I do not want it to be, you know, present like that, so I'm just gonna click on allow, and now we're gonna close this and let's just wait for a minute. So in the meanwhile, let me just, yeah, here it is. So we get a lot of errors, like you can see all the red squiggles. Now just wait a minute, like not everyone has the same coding style, right? So we should just edit it to our requirements now. So let's click on that file again. Now we want semicolons always, so it is recommended you do that, but if you do not want to do that, your wish. So I want to keep that, and in my personal opinion I like double quotes more. Yeah, it is my personal preference actually. So you can set that, or you can just remove this. Then if you do not want const like all the time, for example, let's say there's a variable which you do not use or do not actually reset actually, so you do not reset or change its value, then you might want to use const and it will show errors if you do not use that, right? That is it. And also you you can read up more. So just give me a minute. I am gonna do it in front of you guys, I guess. So this will be, let me just comment it down here. I hope you guys do not mind me pasting the links down here. So I'm just gonna comment, like make a multi-line comment, and here it is. Now I'm just gonna paste the links here. So if you guys wanna check out my GitHub, I'm also gonna provide the links in the GitHub as well. So I will be pushing all the episode links in my GitHub, and you can find my GitHub link in the description down below as usual. Everything is provided there. Oops, Control C. I'm like providing it in front of you, so if you guys wanna like check it out from here, you can even do that. Yeah, so I'm done. Now actually you might be getting a lot of red squiggles, but I am not, because I already have some setup done previously which sets it like making me indent with tabs and stuff already. So I do not have those red squiggles, but if I do, let me just show you. If I do have that, like yeah, so you will see something like this in your defaults. So it will have a lot of red squiggles. This red map is gonna, like red mini map is gonna go totally red, looking like a blood soaked cloth or something, I guess. So what you can do is you can do Control CTRL, like or command if you are Mac. I don't know about Linux. And you can go to the place where there's a red squiggle, and then do like then use the full stop or the dot, and you will see this menu pop up. Now I personally just do fix all auto fixable problems, and it just fixes all of them, most of them actually. And apart from what is the error in your code, there won't be any problems. Alright, so yeah, that is it for today's video. And yeah, now you might be thinking, why do I need this? As I have already said, it helps you in, like it will help you in the later later when you are doing it. And yeah, it also, I forgot to mention this, you also have to practice comma dangles. So if you are thinking what the heck is comma dangle, it is something like this. you have an object, multi-line object, so you have something, oops, yeah, is something. Now you'll need to you have a comma here. All right, so that is what is comma angle. So even if it is the last, you know, property of an object, you're gonna have to use a comma. So you can just read out their docs. I forgot the URL right now, so I will provide it also in the description, so please check that out to know more. And in the next video I am gonna do what I promised, which was to make some fun commands for your Discord bot. Alright, thanks for watching. Sorry again for breaking my promise. We'll meet in the next video.